The entrance to Busch Gardens Williamsburg, and we're going to take you on a walking tour, walking directions from the entrance to Busch Gardens Williamsburg to Roman Rapids, the water ride here. So here's what you get to the first intersection here. You go right, straight, or left. We're going to veer to the left. I'm going to speed it up a little bit and give you a POV of this ride and walking directions, walking tour. So here we go, just follow our lead. Left and past Escape from Pompeii water ride. I'm going to go up over this bridge here. You can check out that video as well. We have that as well. But we're going to go to the other water ride, Roman Rapids. You get to this turkey section, turkey sign, veer to the left. Keep veer to the left, veer to the left. Go over this bridge. The drinks. Yeah. Gonna veer to the left at the drinks and keep going. Roman Rapids, right past Tempesto, and this is the water ride. Take you on a POV. Hopefully, you're gonna have to wait. We got a little line. It's a hot day in Williamsburg, Virginia. On Roman Rapids, it's got a turntable, and that's how you get on the turntable.
And can you pull it tight, buddy? Hold the orange tab.
Pull the red. Pull the red. You did. Just pull it all the way. You can't.
Here we go. Roman Rapids.
I am not good. I want to be in the back.
Everybody's gonna get wet here.
Why do I have to be on this side?
Who knows where it'll end up? Right now, we don't know. I think everybody's gonna get it. think we're safe.
Don't say they didn't fix it.
No, I think we're out.
Can we do it again? Do it again. Sabrina,
So there it is.
please. Can we go again? Ow. I think can we please go again? Go river rapids.
Without me,
You guys are safety patrollers. You're supposed to be brave.
Guys, we should go in the voices area. Not me. No, we should go in the log one next.
No, you got the wrong person,
But safety, you're supposed to be for safe. Keep us safe. Not the Roman Rapids with walking directions. We had some 5th graders who were pretty dramatic. But that is it. Please like and subscribe. Roman Rapids water ride POV with the walking directions. Please like and subscribe.